technology from Aerojet. In space, in the air, on the surface, and undersea. Expanding the Navy spectrum. Technology provided the foundation for the formation of Aerojet 40 years ago. In March 1942, Dr. Theodor von Karman and a few associates at the California Institute of Technology first organized Aerojet to produce JATO, jet assist takeoff motors, to boost military aircraft off water, short runways, and carrier decks. Aerojet technology was in the forefront then, and has been ever since. Aerojet, a wholly owned subsidiary of the General Tire and Rubber Company, is now concentrating solely on high technology for defense and aerospace needs, as the corporation is selling all of its commercial businesses. 4 separate Aerojet companies work with the Navy on today's and tomorrow's technology. Aerojet Strategic Propulsion Company, Aerojet Tactical Systems Company, Aerojet Liquid Rocket Company, Aerojet Electro Systems Company. Together, these companies develop and supply Navy needs in many diverse areas. Aerojet and the Navy have been partners for 40 years. First came JATO. Aerojet provided the upper stage propulsion when the Navy first rode into space with its Vanguard satellite. Aerojet continued its leadership in rocket propulsion technology with Polaris, the first of the Navy's fleet ballistic missile weapon systems. It was the Aerojet Navy-Lockheed partnership that made Polaris a reality 5 years ahead of schedule through development of a new, chemically stable, safe, instantly ready solid propellant. In the late 1960s, Britain's Royal Navy began deployment of its fleet of Polaris submarines, each carrying 16 A-3 missiles. Aerojet is committed to the British Polaris program for engineering and support services to continue successful deployment throughout the next decade. The Navy-Aerojet partnership has a long history in the tactical motor area as well. Aerojet has designed, developed, and qualified every propulsion system in the Tartar Standard Missile Medium-Range family. More than 10,000 rocket motors have been delivered. Aerojet's cost-effective design introduced dual-thrust capability within a single chamber. This important first resulted in improved missile performance. Today, standard missile rocket motor production continues at Aerojet as the result of a 5-year contract, just awarded by the Navy. Aerojet also provides cost-saving reloading operations on reusable hardware from overaged motors. In the late 60s, Navy requirements for an effective low-level cruise weapon led to the Harpoon missile. Harpoon is a versatile anti-ship weapon designed for launch from surface ships, aircraft, submarines, and shore-based installations. Aerojet has designed, developed, qualified, and produced more than 2,000 Harpoon booster motors since 1971. Aerojet also provides the propulsion system for the British Skyflash weapon system, which is similar to the Navy's AIM-7M. Both have look-down, shoot-down capabilities. Tactical motors produced by Aerojet have a reliability rate of more than 99% based on thousands of field firings. In the last decade, Aerojet has applied its propellant expertise to developing the new family of plastic bonded explosives, or PBXs. PBX technology is similar to that of solid propellant in composition and production. PBX offers increased shipboard survivability, as it is much safer and easier to handle and store. Aerojet is currently supporting the Navy on 2 PBX programs. The first award of its type to industry is the 5-inch 54 High Frag, which is an initial production program for a gun-launched projectile. The other is a capability demonstration program for a new warhead. Aerojet research in new propellant and hardware technology continues to provide solutions for future challenges in propulsion systems. The demand for high-energy propellant with low-cost ingredients led to development of nitroglycerin propellants. Aerojet's work in this area began in 1960, and studies and testing continue to improve the attractiveness of nitroglycerin-based propellants. Another new concept is integrated stage propulsion, which permits adjoining stages of a missile to share hardware. This improves packaging efficiency and provides a performance increase of 25%. While the concept has been studied for many years, recent Aerojet developments make this design improvement possible. Aerojet has also successfully demonstrated a solid propellant post-boost control system, which provides design flexibility and high performance. This is achieved by simultaneously burning a fuel-rich propellant and an oxidizer-rich propellant in separate gas generators at low temperatures. The gases produced are then injected, mixed, and reacted to create a significant increase in performance. Aerojet is also working on a gas generator using solid propellants capable of burning more than 16 minutes to provide electrical power. Aerojet has designed extendable nozzles to improve performance in large ballistic missile motors. A translating cone version has been tested in the MX second stage, and a shingle-lapped extendable exit cone is now being developed. To help expand the Navy's spectrum on the surface, Aerojet is building on 4 decades of experience in advanced liquid propulsion systems and rotating machinery. This Aerojet expertise in waterjet and lift fan technology is aided by the largest and most comprehensive marine test facility in the world. Aerojet waterjets power the Navy's fastest fleet ships, the Patrol Hydrofoil Missile Ships, or PHMs. Aerojet's waterjet propulsion systems propelled the USS Pegasus to a new world record for transiting the Panama Canal, cutting 2 hours off the previous record. Jointly developed technology and marine facilities have been utilized to develop a new application for this technology. A shipboard aircraft fire elimination system called AeroSafe can apply seawater and fire suppression chemicals at more than 100,000 gallons per minute and at ranges in excess of 600 feet. Expanding the Navy spectrum undersea, Aerojet has developed the NIXI torpedo countermeasure system. NIXI consists of an electronic console which generates and amplifies signals transmitted to a metal body towed behind a ship. This device lures enemy torpedoes away from their intended targets. The successful development of NIXI is a result of the close teamwork between Aerojet engineers and their U.S. Navy associates. To assist the Navy with the development and refinement of NIXI, Aerojet assigned a team of highly skilled marine specialists. Major capital investments by Aerojet to modernize its underwater acoustics laboratory greatly reduced the time and expense to the government in perfecting and delivering NIXI. More than 180 systems have been built and delivered for use on U.S. Navy, Coast Guard, and Allied ships. NIXI deliveries have been made to the navies of 8 countries, and international orders for the system are expected to expand. Production continues for installation on many ships, including such diverse vessels as carriers, guided missile cruisers, amphibious and mobile logistic force ships. In the future, anti-submarine and mine countermeasure systems now under development at Aerojet will add new dimensions to Allied defense systems. The largest and most powerful shallow water mine in the Navy's arsenal is Quick Strike. In this program, Aerojet and the Navy are utilizing existing technology to produce large numbers of mines at low cost. Quick Strike has completed technical and operational evaluation and has been approved for service use. Aerojet sensor technology is equally important to military needs. Air-Eye, Aerojet's multi-sensor system for medium-range jet aircraft, has been selected by the Coast Guard to assist search and rescue operations, enforcement of our nation's marine laws and treaties, deterrent of drug traffic, and protection of our marine environment in an area exceeding 2 million square miles. Air-Eye technology can be applied by the military for a variety of tactical missions, including target acquisition, anti-submarine warfare, and technical intelligence. With full concentration on military aerospace needs, the Aerojet General Corporation will double the outlay for capital improvements this year. Research and development expenditures will also be more than twice the 1981 levels. Facility modernization has long been a key to Aerojet's technological success. Aerojet has the free world's only automated tactical rocket motor production facility, with a wide variety of operations that are designed to increase productivity, quality, and safety. For 40 years, Aerojet technology has provided a key element in Navy programs. Aerojet investments with research and resources will ensure that this technology continues to be available to help expand the Navy spectrum. In space, in the air, on the surface, and undersea.
The proud fleet of the U.S. Navy. Powerful.